Here are the best and proved benefits of brick houses that you should know. Dear friends, brick houses are beautiful and offer unique benefits that other homes simply lack. Here are a few fantastic advantages brick has over other materials. Low maintenance. Since brick is highly known for their aesthetically pleasing looks and durability, they do not require any kind of paint or coating. One can save a lot of money with the use of brick in their homes. Economical. Bricks are perhaps the highly economical building material that you will find in the market. They are decently priced and can fit any budget and any requirement according to their type. You can find a variety of bricks in the market and opt for the best type as per your needs. Weatherproof. Brick have the highest ability to withstand any weather condition. Be it scorching summers, shivering winters or heavily raining monsoon, you do not have to worry about your home. Bricks simply do not require any maintenance and are extremely good for lifetime longevity. Aesthetically pleasing. The bright red color and vintage almond and golden color bricks are very pleasing to the eyes. It creates an impressive impression on the minds of the viewers with their natural and earthy tones. Sustainability. Speaking of the sustainability of bricks, they are made from great organic minerals. Their nature of lifetime validity offers great environmental and health benefits. Bricks are durable, contaminants-free and reusable. A home made of brick is super safe to live in without any risk of pests or fire. Investment purpose. You can rest assured with investing your hard-earned money on bricks. They are the best trustworthy source of building material and are known for their high strength and great investment potential. Great design and style. With the help of brick, you can give your home a highly distinctive look with the natural colors and textures. Energy efficient. Since a brick is derived from all the natural and organic minerals, it helps to maintain moderate temperature of the building while reducing energy consumption rates to a great level. Bricks are highly energy efficient. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.